Hey there, today I have a FASHOM to unbox. So if you're not familiar with FASHOM, it's a pretty new online styling service, very similar to Stitch Fix and those others. There's a $15 styling fee, but your first fee is waived. They have a pretty good discount program where you get 25% off if you buy 3 or more and 30% off if you buy all 5. And you do get 5 items. And they also send a preview. So prior to sending it out, they'll send you, I think, like 7 or 8 items. And from there, you get to select 5 for them to send. And also, FASHOM currently has a promotion going on. I guess if you use somebody's referral link, you get a $20 credit and they get a $20 credit. And previously, it was $10. But I think that's going on till July 15th. But anyway, I'll put information in the description box below about how FASHOM works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what's in my box. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. There's a packet of information and a return mailer to send anything I don't want back. And here's my bundle. So I think it looks pretty cute. We'll see. I see some bright colors. Okay, so you get an invoice and it has all of the items that I received in this box and pictures, and it has a quick note from my stylist, and my stylist is Morgan, and I have a kitty here. She's very interested. Kitty, stay away from the clothes. Okay, but let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so the first item in my box is a top. Oh, this is cute. This is by Gilli and it's a size medium. And let's see, this is the Gilli front keyhole tie gathered neck striped top, and it's $40. It's a decent price. Looks like it's fully lined, and it's lined with a kind of a cotton, looks like, blend. Let's see what it's made out of. Okay, so it's rayon. This is a 100% rayon top with 100% rayon lining. So, I mean, because it's a natural fabric, it'll probably be cooler for the summer. So yeah, this is very cute. Although I generally do not like rayon tops because they wrinkle, but you know, sometimes they end up being okay. Okay, next. This feels like rayon too. Okay, it's another top. And here it is. And this is by Staccato, and it's a size small, and it's the Staccato V-neck front pleat knot detail polka dot top, and it's $42. Whoa, so $42. When I first did FASHOM, it was a little on the cheaper side, but I noticed the prices have been kind of creeping up there. Okay, so you'll see it's very cute though, and it has this like kind of a tie in the front. But yeah, this is definitely rayon. Yeah, so we'll see. I mean, I'm really not a big fan of rayon just because I don't like to iron. Okay, next. Oh, this is really soft. Okay, I got a dress. Here it is. This is the Chris and Carol A-line striped dress with pockets, and it's $42. So Chris and Carol, I think I've gotten this brand from Natalie Attired before. This is a very soft, almost like a brush knit material, and yeah, this is a pretty cute dress. I kind of like this. Next, okay, I got another top, and this is also by Gilli, size medium. And this is the front back tank woven top for $37. So yeah, you'll see it has these buttons in the back, which kind of makes it interesting. It's a woven material. This kind of feels like a polyester blend. Let's see what it is. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So yeah, this will be less wrinkly and a little more easy care than the other top. And I do like the color. It's very cute. Okay, and lastly, I got this skirt, and oh, this is cute actually. This is by Skies Are Blue. It's the linen blend front tie skirt, and it goes for $39. So $39, and yeah, it's just a kind of a cute, bright looking skirt. And it looks like it has pockets and a tie front. Something different. I saw it as one of my choices, and you know, to be honest, initially when I got my choices, I didn't see a lot that I liked, so I actually emailed them and asked for more choices. So they emailed me back a couple days later with maybe 5 or 6 more options, I think. But anyway, I thought this was something different. I don't have a lot of skirts. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top. And actually, I really like this top. You know, it's really cute. It's flowy, and I think it looks nice. It's a good summer top. It's very lightweight because it's rayon, I guess. Oops. And it has these stripes going vertically, which I think maybe that's flattering. I don't know. Yeah, but it's cute. I like this. And it is lined, so you don't have to wear anything underneath. So I think this is a real cute one, and it is $40, which I think is a little high for FASHOM. But yeah, I like it, and it's from Gilli. Okay, so here's the second top, and I've just paired it with white jeans, which I paired the earlier top with. I think it looks nice. And yeah, I love white jeans, you know, especially for the summer, but actually for me, I wear them all year round. Okay, so this top is really, really cute, I have to say. I don't know about the rayon, but it's adorable. I wish this wasn't rayon. I wish it was maybe like a nice knit material. I think it'd be good too. But yeah, this is really cute. I love the polka dots. I'm a sucker for polka dots, actually. And yeah, it has a V neckline, and I really like this little tie thing in the front. I think that's cute, and then you don't have to worry about if you should tuck it or not. But yeah, this is a really cute top. I really like it. Too bad that it's rayon. Okay, here is top number 3, and also paired with white jeans. And you know, this is just a very basic top. It's just like, I don't know what you call that. Is it A-line? I'm not sure. But yeah, I mean, it's cute. I think this is a polyester blend top, but it's woven. It's definitely not stretchy or anything. And yeah, just very, very basic. So, I mean, I think this would be good, you know, like as a pop of color. You have this yellow top, you could top it with a denim jacket or whatever. Yeah, I mean, it's cute, so we'll see. I have a lot of yellow, but I do like yellow. Okay, so here's the dress. And actually, I really like this dress. I was surprised. Yeah, I was surprised actually because, yeah, when I pulled it out, I thought, it looks okay. But nothing special, right? But I like that it has these pockets, and these sleeves are kind of interesting. I wasn't expecting these sleeves to be so interesting. Yeah, and it has kind of like the stitching going in a different direction here. But and it's flowy. It's not clingy at all, which I like, and it's not see-through, which I was worried about because it's white. But yeah, this is a really cute dress. And I think it's a great dress for summer, so this is a good find. Okay, so here's the skirt. So, yeah, I think this is pretty cute, I think, but maybe just a little bit short for me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's too short. But I like the color. It's kind of, you know, it's kind of bright and cheerful and something different. And I like the material. It's kind of a linen blend, so it looks very cute for the summer. But yeah, I don't know. I think for me, it's a little short, but I think it's cute. But yeah, we'll see. What do you think? Okay, so, wow, you know, I actually was pretty impressed with everything I got in my FASHOM box this month. I'm not sure what I'll be keeping, so let's just kind of go over the invoice. So I have 5 items, and the total retail was $200. If I were to buy all 5 items, I'd get a 30% off discount, which would bring the total down to $140. So $140 for this entire box seems like a pretty good price, considering, you know, everything was selected by a stylist and sent to me. So I mean, you can't get much easier than that. but we'll see. I'm not really sure what I'll be keeping. I did like pretty much everything, but I'm just not so sure about like the rayon. So so we'll see. And I do have a lot of clothes already, and I'm doing like 2 rental subscription services. I think right now though my favorites were, I really did like this striped dress. I thought this was really cute and comfortable. I like that it had pockets. I think it's just an easy to wear dress, and I love things that are easy to wear, just throw on and go. I also did really like, even though it was rayon, this top. I thought this striped top seemed like it was kind of pretty high quality, and I thought it was really cute, and it's something that could pair nicely with white jeans or just regular jeans, and also maybe even, it's pretty neutral, you could wear it with something red. And also, I actually really like this top too. I thought this was adorable. I love this polka dot, and I don't really have a lot of periwinkle color. That's not like a color I typically gravitate towards, but you know, I thought this was really cute. I say cute a lot, I know. Yeah, so I'm not sure what I'll be keeping, but I do have with FASHOM 3 days to decide, and it does say that if you need more time you can email them. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video, and now I will call one of my furry friends to help me say goodbye. And I have Sammy right here. She loves air conditioning, so when I was doing the try-on, she basically stayed here the whole time. She didn't move. So Sammy, let's come out of hibernation and say hello or goodbye. So here is Miss Sammy. And she is the sweetest, laziest, treat-loving dog you ever did meet, I think. And we love her a lot, yeah? Yeah. Oh, and Kaya's looking very jealous. Sorry, Kaya. Next time, okay? But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.